Manage the media you've uploaded to RapNet by clicking here. Your media is divided by your images and videos and your reports here. Uploading reports and images follows the same procedure. Let's begin by uploading an image. Click Images to return to your images. Click the Upload button. You can either browse your computer for the media file or simply drop it into this window. To upload multiple images at once, ensure the images must be added to a zip file first and then uploaded. You can filter and sort your uploaded media here. Let's filter the unconnected images. Now we can see which images are unconnected. Let's connect this image to a diamond. Click Connect to Diamond. Enter the diamond's lot number or stock number and then click Search. Click Connect. Now you'll see that the image is connected. You can also select multiple items to perform bulk actions, such as download or delete.